Whiskey Days, arguably one of the best bars in Big Bear, formerly Chad's Place. Went there during COVID season, July. As soon as you come in, they're going to ask you to wear a mask, and you must order food if you want a beverage. They'll sit you outside. It's a really good time. They have a cornhole, good music playing. Drinks are reasonably priced, about $7. Highly recommend it. Great way to beat the heat on a hot day in California. I ordered a taco plate for $17. Service was fast, the food was great, everything was really clean, and a lot of fun people hanging out. Cheers, friends. Please like and more importantly subscribe. As of July 25th, 2020, Big Bear is definitely open and alive. A great place to be at during this hard COVID season. Bring your masks. Great for party atmosphere, family events, hiking, or lake life. In the next few days, I'll be adding some additional content about Big Bear, places to eat, and might even do some hotel reviews. Watch the video to the end for any special Easter egg surprises, and have a good day and be safe. Also, Big Bear is also very dog friendly.
Well, we're not fucking driving home today.